This is my very own decision. Drenched in fear, the pounding of my brain and might explode in time. This cold chill makes me tremble, makes me tremble.